I just had my first stream and it was an absolute disaster. I mean, there was so much scuff. If y'all know the streamer Monarch, the scuff I had was worse than her times 10. I mean, that's how bad it was. I mean, she's notorious for scuff. I had scuff with YouTube. I had to change my accounts and stuff, so I had to wait 24 hours. Like, the accounts just, like, wouldn't work, and I couldn't connect my YouTube account to my OBS. Oh, okay. It can't even see when I'm streaming. OBS was another thing I had scuff with. So, first of all, it couldn't connect to my YouTube account. Oh, like, the camera quality is super bad. I mean, I bet y'all can see that already. The quality of my screen and everything was just bad. Oh, okay. And the quality is super bad. And it's still not good. And then my stream elements, it just, like, the website just cut out. I mean, I don't know if it was my internet or something, but when I pulled up to stream elements, the website would just say error 507 and it looked like command prompt elements.com. Oh my goodness, the amount of scuff that I had is just a fraction of what was going on this entire week. At the beginning of the week, I had to move my desk in here, my entire setup, because it was outside, right? So that took 2 days, all right? Then I had to set up everything, and I needed to create new accounts and emails for everything, as y'all know. And that took 2 days. And then finally, I get to stream, and then there's so much scuff. And then when I start the stream, I get almost zero work done because I'm solving this scuff. I mean, I get around, like, if you check my stream, I bet I get around, like, 20 minutes of actual work in Unity. And that's not even the beginning of it. Because in Unity, I got absolutely zero work done because I didn't even understand it. I mean, at school, or, you know, our computers, they have, like, administrator passwords. So we can't even download the newest version. So when I got introduced to Unity 6.1, my brain was like, what is this? But of course, you know, when you're a streamer first starting out, you shouldn't expect anything. You know, I got absolutely zero views, you know, nobody even checked in the stream once. I wasn't mad about that, you know. As a beginner, you get no attention anyways. You should expect it. But the problem that I had was, the entire time I was streaming, I was, like, basically dead silent. And I know streamers tell you that you gotta be talking all the time. You can't be silent or viewers will be bored. And I knew that. So I kind of, like, started talking to myself as if I was schizophrenic. But for some reason, my brain decided to lock in and was like, no more talking. Why? I wanted to talk, but for some reason, I just could not think of anything. But it's okay. Even though we got zero work in, we at least started, okay? So after that stream, I made the game design document. Funny enough, I didn't actually make the game design document before I started coding. And if you didn't know, I'm a game dev. So I want to make a top-down 2D horror roguelike. And hopefully that turns out well. After that, I was able to start my second stream the next day, which went way better. I mean, I'm so glad. My second stream, basically no scuff. Somehow, my YouTube account was able to connect to OBS without the stream key, and I still got zero views, but I fixed my talking issue in the second stream. What is your favorite genre of music? Because I personally, I started listening to a lot of breakcore, but it was mostly just learning Unity 6 for a second. I got the character to move, and I did a little bit of funky camera work. Hopefully y'all watched the VOD for that, but spent some time in Unity. Maybe not a lot of progress, but, you know, baby steps. That's pretty much it for this devlog. Hopefully y'all check me out, like, in my YouTube, maybe join my Discord. I'll put that in the description. But please, either comment or go to my Discord. Please give me some advice, some coding tips, anything. Any help would suffice. And y'all want to criticize my coding live streaming, come check out my live stream. All right, that'd be great. Sorry, I had to turn off the noise because there were advertisements. It'll be back in. Um, un- there's in three ads. The first one,
Get
and then
you.
I turned off the first one. There's a second. There's a third ad. What? When did Spotify start using three ads in a row? This is diabolical.